Hi everybody, welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Absolut Watermelon Vodkarita. It's kind of like a margarita, but completely different and still completely delicious. And also, we want to see your drinks at home, so don't forget to tag all your posts at Absolut Vodka, #Absolut Drinks. I'm going to make some fresh watermelon juice. I'm going to show you a really easy way to do this just by using a blender. So we're going to chop up the watermelon nicely into chunks. So, ooh. Get some more. Beautiful. And then all we want to do is put that directly into a blender, not with any ice, and then just blitz away. As you can see, that happened pretty quickly. We're gonna take a little jug, what we have right here, and then we're just gonna make sure we get rid of all that watermelon pulp and be left with just the beautiful juice. This will take a minute. Another little tip for you guys, I'm actually using my right hand to hold the strainer.
Should we make it a little bit quicker?
What you can also do, guys, is get a bigger strainer. This means you can do more. Like so, you see? Give that a little stir. Boom. And what we have here is some fresh watermelon juice. Beautiful. What's next, Miss Bruce?
So, we're gonna squeeze some lime juice for the Vodkarita. Cut the lime in 2 pieces. We have a citrus press. You need to use a lot of muscles for this.
Which Hedda has. That's what we call it.
This is nothing for you, Rico.
Wow. Just a little tip for you guys. If your limes are a little bit hard, you want to give them a little roll. That will start to break apart the fruit inside. Also, another cheeky one is you can stick it in the microwave for like 10 seconds. But that might cause it to explode. Here we go.
Let's see how much we got here.
I think that looks good.
Yeah.
We've got watermelon juice. We've got some lime juice. We're almost ready to make the drink. I would like these glasses to look pretty though. Would you mind showing the guys at home how to do? I think just a half salt rim, just in case people don't want the salt rim.
Ah, yes, so they can choose or try what they like. You can use your old limes again, like this, on the half glass.
Looking good,
Rim
Bruce.
it with salt.
Beautiful. Let me move that knife out the way. The best type of salt to use for this is whatever salt you've got in your house. Whether it's sea salt, table salt, that's fine. Maybe it's black rock salt. Go crazy, it's your drink, guys. We just want something salty on that rim. Next up is to build this drink up.
Yeah.
Should we do one each?
Yeah.
We're gonna take our shakers, because this is a shake and drink. Don't forget, guys, always start with your cheapest ingredients first. So, I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna go with the simple syrup, and we want 25. And then it's the same for the lime juice. We want 25. There you go, Bruce.
Thank you, Rico.
Straight in. Next up, we're gonna take the triple sec, which is Orange Liqueur.
How much?
8 mils. Exactly, no more or no less. It will ruin the drink. And then last but not least, we're going for 30.
Are you sure is that our last ingredient?
This is our last ingredient. No, it's not. Next up, we're going for the watermelon juice, and we want 30 mils of the watermelon juice right in. Hate you sometimes. Oh, this is like the Bloody Mary film all over again. We're gonna put 45 mil of the Absolut Watermelon straight in. Nice. Will you ice me up?
I will ice you up.
Thank you.
And we want to fill the whole shaker up because we want to make this drink cold and not dilute it with water. So fill it up to the top, like this.
Let's do it. Nice. Oof. I'm gonna take our little glasses. I'm gonna ice you up this time, Miss Bruce. There we go. Oof. Because we've already fine strained our watermelon juice and the lime juice is gonna be fine, and there's already ice in the glass, we don't need to fine strain this drink. We can just pour it directly straight in. This is looking fantastic. Can we make some nice little garnishes?
Yeah.
I think we should go for a nice little lime wedge each.
Gonna look pretty
So
with
we've
the
got some
drink.
lime wedges there. We're gonna chop up
Double garnish.
a little bit of watermelon. Stick that one there, slice like that. Then we can get some real nice. And then we can also go, cheers.
Cheers.
Gonna give them a little slice.
So we can put it on the side of the glass.
Yeah. Just so it looks nice and pretty. And then we're gonna stick just a wedge in there.
And it doesn't
as well.
really matter if you put it like this or like Rico did. Your choice.
There's no rules. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. There we have our watermelon vodkarita. Should we taste it?
Yeah.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
I'm kind of excited about this. That's good.
That's really good.
I'm very impressed by this drink.
Fresh.
Super fresh. I wouldn't even say that's a hint of watermelon. That's a smack in the mouth of watermelon. Boom. The watermelon vodkarita. Really easy drink. You can make them in the blender. Do it how you want. It's totally up to you guys. What do you think?